Here we have a 2019 19 plate BMW X4 M40D. Now with this vehicle you get 4 superb unscratched unmarked 21-inch alloy wheels in gloss black with the blue M Sport brake calipers just hiding behind. We have your LED headlights, the bronze front kidney grills and also wing mirrors. We have your M Sport styling kit on the front, so you do have your black front splitter. Bronze accents all over the front bumper there as well. Blacked out styling continues, where you have your black wheels, your black window trim, your black roof bars, your black paintwork, and also your privacy glass on the rear. Front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera. You do get the power assisted rear tailgate, your exhaust flush, the rear bumper, and also the rear diffuser. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle. Taking a quick look into the rear of the car, you'll be able to see we do have the full ivory merino leather interior, with the ISOFIX point pull down armrest, storage nets, pad passenger driver's seat, climate control in the rear of your 12-volt connectivity, electric windows, integrated premium hard carbon speakers, piano black trim, ivory leather on the doors. And going to the front, there's a look at the driver's front seat. Now both driver and passenger are fully heated electric, and the driver is memory. Very, very comfortable seats indeed. Electric windows, electric power folding mirrors, memory seat function, your integrated harman kardon, piano black trim. Jumping inside the car, you have your auto light, multifunction steering wheel, paddle shift if we take the car into manual mode, heated steering wheel just there. As you can see, the vehicle is free from any more lights on the dashboard, and when heated steering wheel notification goes, you see this vehicle has done just over 77,250 miles. You have your keyless start just there, if you just start on and off, your auto high beam assist on the end of the indicator stalk. Screen just in the centre where you can see satellite navigation. You have your Bluetooth media and Bluetooth audio connectivity, your DAB radio. You see all those just there. Your Bluetooth phone connectivity, different drive modes. So you do get Eco Pro, Comfort, Sports, with Sports Plus, and also Individual. Pop the car into reverse, front and rear parking sensor with a rear reversing camera. Looking down here, you have your dual zone climate control, works exactly how you would expect it to. 2 heated front seats, but again working exactly how you would expect it to. You also have your ice cold aircon there as well. You have your M plate just there, pushes open, 2 nice size cup holders, storage, USB, and also a key storage. This is what you use to control everything happens on the screen if you do use the touchscreen function. Electric parking brake with auto hold, parking sensors just down there, down to the centre assist, different drive modes. You also have your adaptive drive mode just there as well. Track control on and off, soft touch leather armrest and storage underneath. And there's a look at the passenger's front seat, and both driver and passenger have the extended thigh support. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free constant nationwide next day delivery. So HBI Clear comes with fresh service, new MOT, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching. Video test drive of this 2019 BMW X4 M40D. Now the purpose of this video test drive today is to show you that the vehicle drives exactly how you'd expect it to. As you can see, our marked firewheel steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. It goes straight and true, doesn't veer off to the left or to the right hand side. Now this vehicle does come with over £10,000 worth of optional extras included. Some of these optional extras are the adaptive M Sport suspension, the M Sports Plus package, knee suspension, your heated steering wheel, and also your heads-up display. Now if you want to know all the optional extras, just go into the website and there's a little box where you can click, and then it shows you all the optional extras on this vehicle. Now we do have the satellite navigation screen in the centre, which is touchscreen, where you can also find your Bluetooth media, Bluetooth audio connectivity, DAB radio, front and rear parking sensor with a rear reversing camera. You have your integrated harman kardon speakers, which do sound absolutely incredible. We do have your full ivory merino leather seats throughout this vehicle. Both front seats are electrically adjustable, they're heated, and the driver's seat is also memory. Now you can quite easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this car and still get out feeling fresh. It is a very, very comfortable driving car. You also have your lumbar support there as well, so it keeps you firmly in place, and it's a very, very comfortable ride. Throughout this vehicle, you do have your brushed metal and also your piano black trim. It's a very nice combination, especially against the ivory merino seats and also the ivory merino leather. You have your electric windows, electric power folding mirrors just there as well. Now, here at RS Car Sales, we are a 5-star dealership with over 500 5-star reviews on Google, Autotrader, and Car Gurus. Now, if you read through the reviews, our customers really do reiterate the fact of how good we are to buy for and how caring of a company we actually are. Now, we do offer free nationwide next day delivery, so whether you are in the country, we can facilitate that delivery. Whether you're up in North Scotland or down on the south coast in Cornwall, we can facilitate that delivery. thanks to our trucks. So we do have a Ford Ranger with a trailer, and we do also have 2 recovery trucks. Now the heads-up display, when you have your cruise control activated, which you can activate on the steering wheel, press the top button and then use the dial to find your selected speed. It will come up on the heads-up display what speed you're doing. Very comfortable car to drive. You have your auto hold, so I'm stopped at some traffic lights. I've let fully off the pedals and I've keep you firmly in place until you tap the throttle, and then the auto hold will then come off. So in a second, I'm coming up to the industrial state. I'm going to take a left, I'm going to perform a major stop, pass straight into reverse, just show that the brakes work exactly how I'd expect them to, and you see pop up on the centre screen the rear reversing camera. So coming up to the industrial state now, and I'll be able to pull in if there's no cars there, which there is not. So I'll do the emergency stop in 3, 2, 1. Hard onto the brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever. And you can see the camera just there in the centre. Back into drive, again, no issues whatsoever. Now, if you're test driving this vehicle today, you'll be listening out for anyone to knocks or bangs. And if you're listening out during this test drive video, there hasn't been any, which is always the bonus when buying a used car. Now, if you haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can run through any more questions and inquiries that you may have. But that's it from me in this walk-around video test drive. Hope to hear from you soon. Cheers.